Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to add phone number to Ubisoft account. Firstly, start by visiting Ubisoft account management page. Enter your login credentials, and once logged in, you'll be redirected to your account management dashboard. Now that you're inside your account, let's move on to editing your private information. On the dashboard, scroll to the private information section, click the edit button. This will allow you to make changes including adding your phone number. Let's continue. Now in the edit menu, select add a phone number and enter your current mobile number. Then click add to proceed. Once added, Ubisoft will send the confirmation code to that number. Let's go to the next step to verify. Now check your phone number for the security code Ubisoft sent via SMS. Enter the code in the required field and click submit to complete the verification. And your phone number is now successfully linked to your Ubisoft account. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.